All right, so I want to solve this trig equation, and I want to solve it between 0 and 2 pi. Our k value is 2, so we're going to have more than 2 solutions most likely. But let's just start with the steps. We'll figure out how many solutions we have a bit later on. So the first thing I'm going to do is my cast rule. So I know that sine is positive in my first and second quadrant. Then I'm going to do the sine inverse of 2 over 3 to find my acute angle. In this case is going to be 0.73. I know in this first quadrant, my answer is just 0.73. So 2x plus 1 just equals to 0.73. And for this quadrant, it's pi minus 0.73. So 2x plus 1 equals pi minus 0.73 is just 2.41. So now I can isolate x in both of these equations. I'm going to start by subtracting 1. I get negative 0.27. And then I'm going to divide by 2. And get negative 0.135. And then let me do the same thing for this one. So 2x equals to 1.41. X equals 0.705. So these are my first two solutions, but I want to find all my solutions between 0 and 2 pi. And if I take a look at this, this is not between 0 and 2 pi. So I need to find the right solutions in the correct range. So I need to find my period of this function. I know that my k value is 2, and I know that period is 2 pi over k. It's just 2 pi over 2, which is just pi. So all I have to do is add my period, which is pi, to this function here, or this solution here, and see what I get. So negative 0.135 plus pi is 3.01, I guess, or if we're rounding it to 2 decimal places. And if I add another pi to this to see if my next solution is good, let me add another pi. I get 6.15. And again, both these solutions are between 0 and 2 pi, so these are both good. Let me add another pi to see what happens. If I add another pi, I'll get 9.29, and this is too big. It's much bigger than 2 pi. 2 pi is 6.28. This solution is no good. This one is too small. It's no good. So I got two good solutions here. This one here is a good solution. Again, it's between 0 and 2 pi. Let me add another pi, my period, to see what happens. 0.705 plus pi is 3.85. This is, again, a good solution. It's between 0 and 2 pi. Let me add another period. I get x equals to 6.99, but again, this is too large. This is bigger than 2 pi. This is no good. So I have 4 good solutions in this question.